Morning. Today we're looking at how to set up your trick ski. What you're going to require: your trick, your front binding, your rear toe plate, mounting screws for rear toe plate, a little bit of electrical tape or masking tape, tape measure, screwdriver. The electrical tape is just for marking the center of the trick. We need that to reference where we're going to put the front boot, and then everything flows on after that. With this trick, we've found the midpoint, we've marked it with the tape, and that's the center line of the trick. We need to know that because for a beginner tricker, you want your ankle bone to be basically at that line or just marginally forward, but as close to that line as practical. So far, we've collected all the pieces we need for putting our trick together. So now the process of locating the boots on the trick is as follows. You'll need to put your foot in the boot to determine where your ankle bone is. So in this boot, my ankle bone sits about 1.5 centimeters back from this mark here. So I just remember this. That's the center line of the trick. So with that lined up there, I put my boot down and I look for a matching hole. And I'm happy with that as the boot location for starting out on my trick skiing journey. Next is our rear toe plate. For a left foot forward skier, meaning the right foot is at the back, we want to position the plate on the trick so that your foot is centered across the trick or slightly closer to your toe side. That will provide you advantages down the track as you progress in your tricking. You just need to line up the holes with the plate, and then once you've got that right, it's a matter of putting the screws in, hand tightening it, making sure everything's in the right location. Put your trick down on the ground, possibly on a beach towel or something, stick your feet in the boot, make sure it's nice and comfortable for you. Good. Okay, we've positioned the front boot. We've placed the screws in place, so the boot is where we want it. The rear toe plate, we want as close to this boot as possible, and when our foot's in the rear toe plate, having our toes closer to this edge than what our heel is to this edge. The benefits will be more obvious as your tricking progresses. It's just a matter of getting the screws in through the plate. Always hand tightening first. Don't use your screw gun, don't be lazy. Check it for positioning and comfort. One extra thing, once you've done, these toe plates are fitted with a self-adhesive beneath here. When you're comfortable with the final position, you can peel the self-adhesive protection paper off the back and press it down onto the trick ski, and then it will be semi-permanently affixed to the trick and ready for your continued use.